In this video, we'll show you how to paint your own doors. Prepare your board for painting by sanding it down with 400 grit sandpaper to remove any imperfections on the surface of the MDF. Clean the panel using a damp cloth to remove any dust or residue. Make sure your work area is free from dust and lay a drop sheet down to protect your work area from paint splatters. Apply one coat of selected undercoat using a quality synthetic brush and roller. In this example, we'll be using a water-based undercoat. Mix your undercoat thoroughly and pour into your paint roller tray. Load your brush with a small amount of paint and paint the sides, edges, and any moldings of the door. Using your roller, apply the paint to the panel using long vertical strokes. Once you've applied the paint to the entire surface of the panel, lightly re-roll over the panel to create a smooth, even paint film. To achieve an even finish, start at the bottom of the panel, lightly rolling the roller all the way to the top and back down to the bottom of the panel. Then move across a roller width and do the same again. Repeat this right across the face of the panel. Allow the undercoat to dry thoroughly in a dust-free environment. Once dry, use a 180 fine grit sandpaper to lightly sand the panel. Wipe away any dust using a vacuum if necessary. There are two application techniques, roller finish and tipped off finish. To achieve the roller finish, after applying paint to the door with your roller, roll over the entire door face to get an even paint film. Then, with no more paint applied to the roller, lightly roll over the door again in one direction, a roller width at a time, to get the smoothest possible finish and to eliminate any roller marks. To achieve the tipped off finish, you'll need to start off by rolling the door to achieve a roller finish. After rolling, wipe off any excess paint from your brush. Start with your brush in the top left hand or right hand corner of the door, lightly using the tip of the brush. Glide the brush straight down from the top to the bottom of the door. Do this a brush width at a time all the way across the face of the door and repeat the process. Allow the panels to dry and harden thoroughly before attaching hardware or installing. Your panels are now ready to be installed onto your cabinets.